Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place.
Hello, I'm Juliet with yet another resin art creation or product. Today I'm going to decorate wooden coaster using resin, my color pastes, and for that we're using this opaque pigment white, and we're also using pigment paste perfect in red. This is a very quick one. If you like this and find it valuable, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out future videos. And like this one might be for Christmas, but it's a piece that can be used all year round, so gifts for any occasion. And I'm showing you two, but they can be more than two. They can be a set of 6, a set of 4, corporate, in a hamper like Christmas, a Valentine coaster for a candle, a gift for every season. And to see more of this, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspire. So now I'm going to wear my gloves, my mask, mix our resin, and then I show you how we're going to decorate this coaster using resin. For this next part, we are going to use some acrylic varnish. Yeah, and this is the glossy one.
and some glitter.
There's this champagne looking one, or the lighter yellow gold, and this a little darker one. So I'm going to mix both so that it's not too much of this and not too much of it. So I'm just going to put a bit of both, and I'm going to put just a little varnish. If I need to add, I'll add, but I'm just putting a little so that we don't have to use too much glitter, and also because it's only 2 pieces I'm making at this moment. So not too much. The good thing is, you know, with most projects, it's always better to add than to remove. You can't remove, so it's always better. And we're going to be using a small brush. It's the same one we'll mix with, so let's just put a little of this darker, the darker one. I'll put a lot. Okay, a little more. Of that. Okay, let's mix it. Just even with that little that I put, see how much it is. And I know it's cloudy, but it will dry clear. I think I want to add a little more. Let me add a little of the lighter one. So that it's not too watery. A little more once again. Oh, I put too much. Oh no. Oh no. But there, not too bad. Oh, once mixed, it's not too bad. All right. Then after this, I'm just going to try draw a line. Let's use this sample as our sample. Just going to try cover the middle part. Try not get on the wood. And this is bamboo. So bamboo, it's one of those that is not very forgiving. Let me pick a tissue. I want it to be able to do this. Then that looks lovely, and then just add a little more. here to just cover the line so that you don't see the where the red and the white meet. Then lightly do the same thing so that the light doesn't show, but so that it's not too heavy. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. I'll do the same on this one. And then we let it dry.